Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Toshiba Satellite Laptop to factory settings running Windows 10. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin this tutorial off by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to type in reset. Best match should say reset this PC right above system settings. You want to just left click on that one time to open up the settings window here. Now on the right side underneath recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. Left click on this get started button right here. So underneath choose an option, we should have two options: keep your files and remove everything. Keep your files might be a little bit misleading because it might not keep all your personal files, and it will remove apps and settings, so I would definitely consider creating a backup to some sort of medium before you proceed with that. And the second option, to remove everything, which remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, which is what we're going to be following for this tutorial. So I'm going to select that option here. We are going to have a couple more prompts we're going to have to go through in this tutorial before we get to the actual reset process. Next screen, do you want to clean the drives too? The first option, just remove my files, is going to be if you're using a personal computer and you just want to do a quick clean. Second option, if you're going to be donating your computer or giving it to somebody else, I'd select the second option. But the first option will be quicker for most people, so I'm going to select that for this tutorial. Okay, so it should say ready to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, all apps and programs, as well as any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. Left click on the reset button here. This will take some time to run. Please be patient, and once we get to something that requires some further narration, I will jump back in on the narration part of this tutorial. But it should be a pretty automated process from here, so just hold on, be patient, and I will be back. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select Next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit, or you can click on customize right here. It should be the middle button, and you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes, and you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are, and I'm going to select next here. I'm going to select next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select Not Now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh install of Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do Not Now, bottom left. Hello everyone, I am back. So our Toshiba Satellite Laptop should have been restored to factory settings this time. Feel free to put any programs back on your computer that were removed during this process, and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.